At King Waste Service, we offer waste disposal service located in Abbotsford, BC, Canada since 2004. We serve Vancouver's Lower Mainland and Fraser Valley with fast, reliable service, competitive rates, and a focus on service. We're also now suppliers of screened compost to meet your garden needs. We serve a wide range of customers in our community and beyond, from the smallest of home renovations and yard cleanup to the more active construction and roofing sites to house demolition. We currently have 3 size roll-off bins in 10, 15, 25, and 40 cubic yards. With a combination of different size bins, we can meet whatever your requirement may be. All of our bins are designed with a rear opening door for ease of loading. Contact us today for more information. Whatever your disposal need, call King Waste Service.